Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you DOM stands for Document Object Model. In the HTML content, we'll have content with the logical structure and we can access this content with the DOM API, with the Document Object Model API. The content in HTML that has the structure with logic that could be represented as key structure or hierarchy structure we can access with the API, DOM API. Now I'm gonna show you how can we access this div. We have content into the div, another div, we have content. Suppose variable x Document.querySelector div console.log. We got div content1. With the query selector, we will get the first div, this one, and get the content by inner HTML. We can write here and can see one by one. We got the div, all the content and the inner of the div. The first one we are getting. If we wanna all the div content or div, we will use querySelectorAll. querySelectorAll div. Then what happened? Div, 3 div. Node list 3. We are getting as array. So if we do this, first one we are getting. If we do looping for I got 2 0 I less than x dot then I plus plus. First one, first div and its content, second div and its content, third div and its content. Suppose we wanna change content. xi style dot background. If we do with array cover red green, blue. We are getting different color. Suppose first one. We must change content dot inner HTML. Hello world. We change the text into the div. Suppose we want to add more content into a div. This is the DOM object. Suppose 0. Appending content. Want to add before prevent content we added before hello world. We can get all the content by class text dot text. First one we got. If we add the class with every div, thanks for watching this tutorial.